Hey everyone, Aubrey. So I'm back with another kiln opening. There's not much in here because I've got some plates in here, but I'm excited about these plates. If you've watched my previous videos, you've probably noticed that I don't do a lot of flat pieces just because they intimidate me a little bit, but I tried out making some Christmas plates. I have some more that need to go in here after I get this unloaded. I have a lot going on right now. But I'm excited about these and I'm gonna get to it. Okay. I'll try to remember all of these combinations. Did I put it? Yes, I did. Okay. So on several of these, I rolled out texture and then I did black underglaze and wiped it back. And then this one has Amico's Deep Sea Celadon on it. It's cute. I love this rolling pin. It's pretty. Let's see. It has a tiny bit of rocking in it, but it's mostly flat. I will take that as a win. All right, so that was on my half shelf. Let me remove that. Quit. She's my daughter's back there on her stool. She keeps rocking it back and forth. Okay. And more spoon rests. You know that I'm cranking these out. Another one. I'm making you guys wait for the best part. Because it looks good. I have too much stuff in here. Okay. All right, this one. So I did a snowflake rolling pin in the middle, and then I bought this 3D printed, what do you call this? No, like what pattern is that? Gingham pattern, I think that's what it's called. Did that on the edges. So on that pattern I did black underglaze and wiped it back. I did not do that on the snowflakes, so you can kind of see the difference. It just deepens that blue wherever that black was applied. But cute. And that one's like super flat. This is the one I was excited for. How pretty is that? I love this rim. This is what, so I saw a picture on Facebook, and that's what this, it looks just like this. This is what made me buy this little 3D roller thing, because I just loved the way that looks on a border. How pretty. And then, so just black underglaze wiped back with clear over it. I did, got some kiln wash on there. Rub all that off. And then black stroke and coat. And then this is black underglaze wiped back, and then Cinnabar, Mako Cinnabar over that. And it looks really good. You can see the texture really well. It's pretty, but I love the border. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Isn't it cute?
Are you okay?
Am I okay? She said, are you okay, Mommy? It's just exciting when when things come out the way you want them to. My nephew made this, so I threw it in here. All right. Like I said, there's not much in here because plates take up like the whole shelf. This is my cone pack. Looks like I got to a 5.5. I did not put these things in there at the right angle, so it's hard to tell, but okay. I honestly don't remember what's in the bottom. Ooh, but my favorite one's in the bottom. Oh my gosh, okay. That is exactly what I wanted. So I bought some overglaze decals and one of them is a Santa. And so I was gonna put a Santa on here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to because it's so pretty the way it is. I'm gonna have to think on that. So same thing on this one. I did black underglaze and wiped it back. Put clear over that. Black stroke and coat for the bottom and around the edge here. And then this is Mako Birch ×3 in the center. Birch is such a pretty glaze. It's so like, I don't know, it's very even. The other time that I've done birch, it didn't come out as even. So I don't know what I did right this time, but how cute is that plate? I'm freaking her out, I think. I'm never so excited. Okay, the bottom shelf definitely got warmer. I think it got to a full 6 on the bottom. Okay, here's another one just like the first one. Black underglaze wiped back with deep sea celadon over it, and then just deep sea in the middle. Just adds a little bit of dimension to it. And then I have to remember, I was trying something with this one. I did black underglaze, wiped it back on the whole thing, and then I did Mako's Cottontail Stroke and Coat over that, but I only did 2 coats because I was afraid the stroke and coat would totally wash out, which it still kind of did. So maybe not stroke and coats for, I probably could have used snow, and I don't know, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. It just looks very milky. It's not my favorite one. Yeah, not my favorite, but it's all right. That was it for like the plates and stuff. There's a couple ornaments down there that I'll pull out. See, this one got to the cone 6 for sure. Yeah. So about a half cone difference between the top and the bottom shelf. So this little thing I just made for fun one day, and Kayla glazed that. I know. It does look pretty. You did good on it. I don't know what anybody will use it for. Just decorative, I guess, but.
Probably a ring dish.
A ring. It could be a ring dish. It's big enough for that. Oh, and this is her little ornament she glazed. It looks cute.
Yay.
Which one did you do? Did you use the Cinnabar on there?
I don't know.
It looks like Cinnabar. And then she did stroke and coat on the tree. How cute. Good job. Good job. My nephews and he had 3 of them. Nothing crazy. He didn't put a hole in them, so I don't know what he's gonna use them for, but
Probably a coaster.
it's too small for a
Or a
coaster.
small cup.
It'd have to be a really tiny cup. Okay, last thing, something my youngest made,
I glazed
but
it.
then Kayla glazed it.
It's red.
It's just a little angel. Looks like the arms broke. No, those are the wings, aren't they? Okay, well, that was it for this one. I'm gonna fill it right back up. I've got, let's see, 3 plates, 2 mugs. I have a sweater
A bunch
mug,
of stuff.
a mug my daughter made, 1 butter dish to put in there, and I had her glaze a bunch of the little tiny things they've been making that I've bisqued, and they've just been sitting around forever. I had her glaze those today, so those will get put in. And then I gotta do some bisque firing because I've got 10 sponge holders and 15, 16 mugs that I've gotten made that need to be bisque fired, so we're busy. It's fun though. I can't wait till the festival. It's gonna be great. Okay guys, I'm gonna get to work, and thank you again for watching, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.